everybody, this is Robbie, and we're going to have some fun today doing a fun craft that children can do, that any adult could do. It's going to be really easy, really inexpensive to do. It's something that can actually spruce up your garden, your walkway, your front door, or maybe a place in your house on the wall. It is going to be a super fun and easy project to do. So hey guys, let's get to crafting. Okay guys, first you're going to need a little pallet of wood that you can get at the Dollar Tree for $3. I picked up this little sign here, but they have hummingbirds or whatever. You need paintbrush and paint, glue and some hot glue and some wire cutters. And at first I'm going to take the chain off and separate the two. And once I get that done, then I'm going to take the welcome sign, and I'm sorry I didn't have the camera turn around to read it correctly. Once I get that last chain off the dragonfly, now I'm going to take the welcome sign, and I'm going to actually show you where I painted the board white already. I wasn't going to bore you with showing you how to paint it, but now I'm going to show you. I did take the chip brush and I kind of lightly dabbed it in the black because I want to give it a little bit of a weathered look. And I didn't put a lot on, and you're going to dab that off, and then you're just going to lightly brush it across the board. And see, it just gives it like a nice little weathered kind of look to it. Distressing look. I like it. You may not want to do it, and that's fine. If you're having kids do it and you don't want them to do it, you don't have to. It's just something I like. And then once I get that done, I'm going to place the welcome at the top and try to figure out where I want to position it. I could have took like the arch part off of the welcome, but I kind of liked it there, so I just left it. And once I get that kind of figured where I want it to go, I'm going to put the E6000 on the back of it and then follow up with some hot glue. And once you get the E6000 on, like I said, just put the hot glue on and then lay it down. But I will tell you this, once you lay it down, it's stuck. So you really got to make sure you position it correctly. I kind of had to play around with it a little bit and move it. It was kind of tough. So word of warning. Right here, I'm trying to move. I'm like, ooh. I got it to budge a little bit there. And then just kind of hold it down. And see, I think it looks really cute on there. Now we're going to try, and well, we're not going to try. We're going to put the dragonfly on. And I'm going to play around and figure out where I want to position it at. And then you just put your E6000 again. I just put it right there in the middle because that was the part that arched up the most on the dragonfly. And then follow up with some hot glue and just stick it down. See how cute it is, guys? It's so easy to do, and kids can do this. It's really easy. If you have a Bible school coming up, that'd be an easy project for the kids to do. If you just want to do a project with your kids or your grandkids, this is an easy project. You could put a wooden stake on the back and put it into the ground, like at the garden or flower garden, your garden or walkway. This is where it's hanging up on my wall. I ended up leaving it out on my fence outside, and I really like it. Thank you guys. You guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.